Looking for hidden gem around Ortigas na you can create your own sundae and waffle, may all-day breakfast and rice meal? I got you, bestie, because I discovered Sundays M&L. Maganda yung interior nila na maximize yung space, pero let's talk about their food. Let's start with their bacon waffle eggs benedict. Perfect yung pagkakaluto ng egg. Yung bacon and waffle din, saktong-sakto lang. Even the salad, sobrang sarap. Must try din itong big breakfast nila. Again, the scrambled egg is perfect. Quality yung sausage, sobrang good pair sa waffle nila. This is a must try. I super love their mixed berries cream frap. Sobrang refreshing ng lasa niya. Pero if you want coffee base, okay din yung salted caramel coffee jelly nila. And for me, ito yung pinaka-highlight. You can create your own waffle. Yun na lang para malaman nyo how you can create this. Super good combo talaga siya with waffle. Pwede naman din sundae lang. Their ice cream is made from Italy pa, kaya ang sarap talaga niya. I-try the flavor of the month, yung avocado. And they have promo every Friday. Meron din silang mga rice meal besties. Sobrang nagustuhan ko yung sisig nila. Hindi siya oily pero savory talaga siya. Okay din tong longganisa rice bowl. Kasama na ding egg, pickled radish, and mushroom. Overall, lahat masarap, kaya try mo na, bestie!